Hey guys, this is Josh with JC Landscaping, back with another video, and a different video than what you're used to seeing by me. So weather in Ohio, you never know what it's going to be. So this is what we're in store now. We'll do a little bit of snow removal. I did 14 driveways yesterday. I didn't want to film it because I had so many of them I needed to do, and just time frame. Didn't have time to play around with the camera, so we're going to do this driveway. You know this property where I did the bushes and beautiful striped yard. So let me get you set up. We'll do the driveway here. As you can tell, the city always comes along and piles this huge pile down by the road. It doesn't look like it's too frozen. It might be a little bit. No, it's pretty soft. I should be able to get through there. So here I'm just going to make a straight line right down that retaining wall and just blow it all over here into the grass. So let me get you set up. We'll get you some film. Be right back. Alright guys, so my little mini-me there wants to do a pass up the driveway. push it that way. Work together. Here, just push it. Put your shovel down and push. There we go. Push it right here and push it one more time that way. That's it.
Are we doing another yard?
We might have one more. Maybe we'll record it. All right, guys. Well, that's it for this video. Something a little different. Hope you guys enjoyed it. So if you can, like, subscribe, share the channel, and I will see you all in the next one. Be safe out there. Peace.